What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be taking the 3 valve out today. We're gonna go hit a car meet. I'm already really late and the car's real dirty, so I'm gonna give it a quick detail. I think I still gotta go pump, and yeah, it's a like a 45-minute drive. So once I get there, you know, I'll see you. So we just made it to the car meet. I'm getting pretty packed right now. The 3 valve was driving flawless. It was driving so good. Let's go over here and see what badass cars we spot. I saw a car when I was trying to park that I've never seen before. It really caught my eye. Look at this GMT with this outfit right here. Got a couple BMWs over here. Ooh, this is nice. With the carbon fiber diffuser, the wing. Oh, let's set up this thing. The carbon fiber's fading. Badass. We got some more Beamers over here. We got a Raptor R putting in. Oh, look at this. Look at this hood. Damn, it looks nice. We got the 3 valve over there. Looking clean. 5.0. A badass Mach 1. Subi. Mach 1. Another Subi. Ooh, we got a Boss over there. Clean. More Beamers. Super. Ooh, look at this Evo over here. That has a parachute, so that caught my eye. Damn. Chameleon wrap. That's beautiful. Look at that. Teardrop piping. Fully gutted. Ooh, look at that. I know this thing is down. Got another one over here. White one. Came too. Type R. I think I've seen this one before. Oh, this red is nice. Chrome. We got the 3 valve. Give it a quick little wipe down. Not too bad. Like I mentioned before, it was running pretty good. Here's one that's Cam Z06. C6, I believe, over there. We'll go check it out in a bit. There's something that caught my eye over here. Real badass noise. Hold on. Where is it? Okay, I see. Well, actually 2 cars. One that I've never seen before in person. Look at this right here. Super Snake GT500. Damn, those tips are massive. Carbon fiber diffuser, license plate surround, the gurney flap. That's pretty neat right there. Damn. The lid. Oh, it's a little beat up, you know. Damn, look at that hood right there. things are badass. This is what I was talking about. Look at this tuba right here. I wonder what's under the hood because they had a bad tire out back. CCWs with the 9901 Cobra bumper. Is this stock paint? I don't know. This thing is badass. This thing. Ooh, with the Celine spoiler. Damn, this thing is clean. This thing is fucking nice. Oh, you know, Maggie Power has digital cluster. Yeah, I want to see what's under the hood. We got the super lineup.
You've got several tickets. Oh, you know what? You still have time to go.
Damn, this is nice. Damn, that's a big ass lip.
$25 gets you another.
So it's on the highway.
You get one free for
Ooh, look at
showing
this
up.
UMC.
25 bucks gets you another one. 100 gets you four.
454.
Go check them out inside. They've got tickets for you to win this raffle. If you want something that you see on this card, you could potentially. I see people lining up already. They're foaming at
Can
the
never go
mouth
wrong
for
with a
the
badass
freebie.
SS.
I see you. Look at this. This guy's right here's like excited to get it. Yeah. The excitement is unbearable.
Yay.
We're ready, Aaron? All right, we got the magic bucket. All right, let me let one of these lovely ladies.
I don't know how I feel about no spoiler.
Come on, guys. Don't put your ticket in there, though. No, I saw you.
Got
Did
another
you get
one
some
right
up your sleeve? What? Are you cheating? Yeah. All right. Why is your name on there?
Oh, yeah, McLaren.
Okay. So, last four
That
digits.
is Ferrari over here.
8471. If you have ticket 8471, come see us over here at the DJ booth. 8471. Going what? Going to it. They don't want it. I'll take it. I'll take it. They don't want it. 8471. One more.
I don't know what they got going on over there.
8-4 stuff today, I'm telling you. If you don't come get your prizes,
It's so
that
loud.
little Milwaukee car is going to be full of products from the refinery, North Richland Hills. All right.
This one, I guess.
8471. 8471. Are we dyslexic this morning? 8467. Oh, we got a winner. Hey, come on over here and pick your prize. 8467 was the second one. She's right. It was me that was dyslexic this morning. 7-1. You got 7-1, boss man? Oh,
Got
man,
this
you know
one.
what? The music is good there.
I know I chopped hard.
You ran from the back.
Feel
Go ahead. You got your ticket.
Ooh, look at the paint on this one.
7-1. I'm gonna wait on this
Yeah,
one.
that's
Aaron.
nice. I've never seen nothing like that. Yeah, see, that's like, I don't know.
Hey, look at that. Oh, I'll take it. I need a daily. No, not a daily. Oh.
Oh, we got McLaren, the R35
Fire ready?
pulling
Oh, she
in.
left.
Oh, this is clean.
Look, so many prizes they needed a bag. How about that? Jeez. The generosity here at the
Damn, look at
refinery
that
North
spoiler.
Richland Hills on their grand opening day today.
Oh, look at this one here.
Wow. The giveaway. We're out here, ladies and gentlemen. My name is DJ Ace. Remember, follow New Vibes on Instagram. We do giveaways as well. We do car meets, we do car shows. Next weekend, June 28th in Grapevine, Texas, we have a great
nice.
car meet, cars and coffee at a gun range.
Oh, this is clean.
What better combination than guns and cars could we have, right? Amen,
yeah,
brother.
nice.
We're in Texas. Let's go. Horchata and tacos. Yeah, it could be better than. Hey, we can't say that right now. ICE is in the area, bro. Today I speak no Spanish. I'm all English, brother.
Oh, Q50. Is there a Q50 on the tire? I don't know my affinities. We got GTRs over here. Clean. We got the twin Mapones, baby. Dang. Oh, I thought it was the C350. Mapone. Yes, about to say it. We'll check it out. Kenny Bill. little truck over here. OBS, I think that's what they call it. Got the Ram. Little truck over there, like Nardo gray color. Got the TRX. Those cams. What I think is nice. I think it's nice too. Supra. Got a Gen 1 over here. Oh, that's 107.
Okay, this guy's coming.
Twin turbo R8 pulled in. Let's go look at the back. Oh, it has the bumper on. Last time I saw it, it had the bumper on. But yeah, it's twin turbo. Pretty badass.
So we've got one more announcement. This is just 11 p.m.
Got the badass Roush right here.
To 11 p.m. That's
Love
right.
seeing this car.
We gotta sleep. Us old folks
Badass
that being
whip.
old, we gotta be in bed by 8.
Ooh.
Underground Nights, July 12th, Yellow Belly Raceway. Go check them out.
Love this
Tickets
car.
are on sale right now.
That's a little boogie.
You guys are on the phone.
Another 3-row.
On the phone. FOAT.com. Go check them out. Go get your ticket.
The 3-valve right there.
You got
With
you got car shows, you got
performance pack wheels.
you got diecast.
Man, look at this little truck right here. Woo. Damn. That thing is badass. Sounds real good. Oh, let's see Trans Am. Damn, this thing is badass. Max Power 903 at 109. Damn. This thing's sick. Pulled up. GT50 pulled up. The Avalanche Gray, I believe it's called. Badass color. Damn, I didn't catch that.
Several days later.
Got Manny just pulled up. What's good, Manny? Good, good. How about you? What we finna do?
And, we do the whole exhaust, I guess.
What's wrong with it?
Damn,
Manny, you haven't been driving it for real. Look, you got spider webs and everything.
been like a whole week. But basically I was driving and I went to the gym, right?
Yeah.
For some reason I started hearing like I was hitting the reflectors. I'm like, why am I hitting the reflectors? And then once I left the gym, I heard the exhaust start scraping again. I'm like, I was hitting the reflectors pretty bad. So I got home, and then the next day I lifted up, and basically where the catalyst delete was at, the welds gave out. So it's basically just
You're basically open headers?
Yeah, right now.
So right now you're open headers?
Yeah.
So you don't have nothing on there right now?
Just a little couple, whatever.
Damn, Manny. I mean, you think it's gonna go up the ramps?
I got wood on me.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they probably got wood too.
They got so hot.
Hold on.
Oh, there's gonna be no noise in the back.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, but see, right? There's nothing connected back there. Damn, Manny, what happened to your hood?
Remember that one guy that hit me?
Yeah. It's been like that?
Fixed it, yeah. Right now, and this side still looks normal, but you hear all the noises.
You can hear right there. You got a mean ass leak. How was it driving?
Huh?
How was it driving?
That's normal. But like usually it's like a 0.5.
Yeah, it's probably running. Not running like it should. But you're about to hit up an exhaust shop. Hopefully they get Manny right. I'll get back with you in a little bit. Yeah, those wheels didn't last. This is your over axles? You had to cut them off?
Like 2 months before.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, you were basically like dumb, no?
The whole rear end like was messed up, so I cut up so I can take it off because I couldn't.
So right now you're gonna just get a piece rewelded? What are you trying to do?
I'm gonna see if they can actually do the whole exhaust. How much that is? If not, I'm just gonna get it rewelded, and then probably just they put hangers.
So it can have better support.
Make them extend a little bit more over the middle, so I don't have like a lot of joint inside.
Yeah. Well, we're about to hit up with the exhaust shop, and then we're gonna get Manny right, and then I'll see you in a bit. We just left from the first exhaust shop. They couldn't get Manny's car up there because the friendly lowered ramp or whatever for lower cars was occupied, and then there was a truck up there, and then they couldn't get it to turn on, so they could bring it down. So we're gonna go ahead and go check another one. Hopefully, they're available and they can get Manny in, so we get this car running better. So we're about to go to the one. How far is it?
2 miles, 2 minutes.
That's not far. I'll be there in a little bit. Alright, change of plans. We're going back to the first exhaust shop. We're just gonna wait, or we're gonna take the bumper off and we're gonna full sand, try to get the car up there on the ramps that aren't low car friendly. But Manny has a shit little wood, so hopefully the car doesn't get stuck and it goes right up. Did he tell you how much he was gonna charge you?
No, I don't think so.
God damn, this car is a fun experience. It's real bumpy. You can feel every rock, every little pothole. And then like my kidneys are just bouncing and shit. But yeah, I'll see you in a bit. After 30 years, Manny's finally going on the lift. I don't want to see this, I'm scared. I think he's gonna make it with no issues. What happened? Huh? You're stuck? Oh shit. The hell got stuck. Dino session with Manny. Dino session with Manny. Fuck, dude. Where's the hitting on? Oh shit.
on, Manny. Fuck. Jacking it up. But Manny, they're probably gonna jack it up from the oil pan. Man, I should have brought my 3-valve. If I get my exhaust done too, I have an exhaust that I've been wanting to do. Probably do a future video soon, hopefully. Make it a little bit more loud. New exhaust setup, axle backs. What are your thoughts, Manny?
Huh?
You knew that was gonna happen, right?
Yeah, I had a feeling that's why I wanted to put the wood, but
Manny knows this car.
that has happened to me though before.
It has?
Like at like the entrances of some places. After they like, you know, they do burnouts like indicated and stuff.
What the hell? I need more wood. I'll get back with you in like 30 minutes. Shit.
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Alright, 10 number 3. Hopefully this is a good one. Last attempt to get over the ramp. If not, we're probably gonna have to, I don't know, leave it there forever. Part it out. I'm gonna help her real quick. So you're gonna reuse some of this?
They're gonna use that for the axle with the red.
Alright, so we finally got it low. What we got under here, man? We got messy pieces everywhere. How much do you think I'll charge you?
Like 300,
300?
350.
So basically, man's gonna go with a dump setup again. They're gonna, I guess, put a new H pipe, and it's gonna stop like where the disc, right there where the drive shaft ends. I put some hangers everywhere, so it can be a little secure. So they're saying that his piping is too messed up, so they're gonna do new piping for everything, which I think it should be good because Manny wants to do some other shit later on. So for now, I think it'll be good. Yeah, let's see what Manny decides. Manny's contraption. He get his car off the lift. They couldn't work on Manny's car. Well, at least not today because they're about to close and it's gonna take a while for them to do that. So he's gonna come back another day and get everything done. So yeah, that's probably gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, share, hit the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next one.